Hello guys, today we're gonna eat some Dubai chocolate. It's time to open it. Kinda hard to open. Oops, sorry guys. Now let's open it. Seen on TikTok, by the way. Oh, that smells so good. Bro, it's so small. Yeah. Let's see the crack then. Guys, it's so good. It has a crunch. Try it guys. Yo, it has delicious crunch. First time trying Dubai chocolate, by the way. So crunchy. Now there's flavors all over my hand. Kind of feels like crunching on raw ramen. The best part, licking your finger. We're gonna put. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. And goodbye. Peace.